What's up guys, thank you. So the BlackBerry KEY2 launched in June 2018. It was announced in two color variants, black and silver, but it has been reported that it will get a red variant soon, just like that of the KEY2 LE's Atomic Red. According to the rumors, new color variant is set to launch in Europe. It may launch in other countries too, but there is no confirmation yet. Just like the BlackBerry KEY2 LE, the red KEY2 will have a red frame and red accents for the keyboard. The KEY2 may be nearly due for a successor, but if you are looking for an Android phone with a physical QWERTY keyboard, this is probably the best option, even though it is pricey. The BlackBerry KEY2 has a 4.5-inch display, a Snapdragon 660 processor, 6GB of RAM and up to 128GB of storage. There are dual 12-megapixel sensor on its back and an 8-megapixel camera in front for selfies. The Space Key doubles as a fingerprint scanner, and there is a 3500 mAh battery under the hood with support for Quick Charge 3.0. It runs Android Oreo out of the box.